Student, this is class 7th MT and today we are going to discuss chapter 4 nobility. Chapter 4 nobility. Nobility is a quality or state of being noble in character. A noble person shows high moral values like honesty, forgiveness, generosity, etc. and never hurt anyone, not even animals, birds, and insects. Moreover, he forgive the person who hurt him and help him in time of need. Truly, nobility make a man great and immortal, as he is remembered by generation for his great deed. Now, let us discuss this with the help of a story. It was a story of a Labrador dog, Sarnoff, and a boy, Mac. Sarnaf was the watchdog for a Persian jeweler, and Mac was one of the jewelry apprentices there. Whenever Sarnoff see Mac, he bark on him. With other apprentice, he was very familiar, but when he saw Mac, he barked at him. Mac was not familiar with dog and other animals. He also not like animals. He hated all animals, even the cute kitten and the snow owls. Whenever he saw animal, he would shudder and hate. He would go on to the extent of kicking the animals or throw stone at them. He had kicked Sarnoff many a times. That's why the dog always bared his teeth when Mac came near him. One day, Mac decided that he would kill the dog. Mac told some of his friends about his evil plan. They were not very happy, but since Mac was their friend, they agreed to help him. Mac told them that the owner is very fond of that dog. If he find out how much the dog dislike me, he may fire me. I will lose my job of this because of this stupid dog. So I beg you all to help me. So the friends were ready to help Mac. They planned to lead the dog to a river and to a river and they tried to tie a rope with a huge stone on his neck and thrown him into the river. Now they take some piece of meat and a ball, and first they serve meat to the Sarnoff, and after that they play with ball with Sarnoff. The owner was busy in his work, so he not see that the Sarnoff was playing with stranger. Now, by playing with ball, they easily taken away Sarnoff from the shop near the river. After that, they tied a rope in his neck and a stone on in that rope, and they push him Sarnoff into the river. Now Sarnoff was a strong dog, so he gave his all effort to be alive and to reach near the shore of the river. In this event of pushing Sarnoff into the river, Mac also slipped down and fell into the river. Mac not know to swim, so he was in danger. When Sarnoff see that the Mac was in danger, and gulped for air as he thrust about in the water. He came near the Mac and tried to help him also. Now, picked Mac picked up the fur of the Sarnoff, and Sarnoff take both the stone tied with rope in his neck and Mac and try to reach to the shore. After some time, the friends of Mac realized that Mac also fell down into the river, so they came back to help him. When they saw that Sarnoff trying hard for saving himself and Mac also, they jumped into the river and saved both of them. When Mac came out from the river, he threw his arm around the great Labrador and wept as he begged the dog's forgiveness. All the friends were ashamed to learn about the dog nobility that who tried to kill him. He saved him by keeping his own life in danger. Now, this is about the story. Thank you.